Bad Boy Trevor says sorry and that he will be representing himself in court.
This is me saying, my apology, obey our laws.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Actor Garfield Reed, more popularly known as Bad Boy Trevor, does not believe his arrest early Monday morning will have negative implications for his career. The 50-year-old and his co-accused, 22-year-old Kenil Smith, are out on $100,000 bail respectively. They are slated to appear before the Halfway Tree Parish Court on the 24th of April. The duo will answer several charges, including breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act, the Noise Abatement Act, the Emergency Powers Act, and the Spirit License Act. Though he has no legal training, the actor said he will be representing himself in court. After his release on bail, Bad Boy Trevor issued an apology for hosting the Plantation Drive pool party.
In light of everything that took place, my apology. I said before, what I did was a wrong, uncalculated move and very selfish to host a party of such event in a time when coronavirus is going around. But I take full responsibility for everything. Now, it's important that you obey all the laws and protocols that the government set in place in light of this coronavirus. It's a serious epidemic that's coming around and can affect everybody. My bad, my judgment, my wrong, my responsibility. Now it's my chance to tell you, do the right thing. Social distance is important, sanitize yourself, and keep yourself safe. Okay? Don't go against what the government is trying to do. It's a wrong move, and I apologize. This is me. Not begging a pardon, but trying to do the right thing out of a bad situation. I was brought upon because I'm an influential person in Jamaica. My voice speaks a lot. This is me saying, my apology, obey our laws.
The actor further stated that he hosted the party out of ignorance, because at the time he did not think that house parties were a part of the ban. So according to him, he threw a little VIP house party and it just started to get out of hand. Probably because people were bored and needed entertainment, so they log on to the party, he said. Even though he is in hot water, he commended the police force for treating him with respect and warns others against breaching the law. The Disaster Risk Management Task Force is the best team I have ever seen doing an operation. My advice is to stick to the rules because they, the police, are going to get you, Reed said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.